Hello everyone, this is Sean, and this is the 2022 summer trailer for Sean's Model Builds. As you can see, I've been building models for almost 5 years now. From Star Trek to Star Wars. From fictional TV and movie cars to real-life vehicles like space shuttles with their accessories. This is my model building desk and filming table. And I have to get back for you to see it, but here are the shelves of model kits I have so far. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the channel, and welcome to Sean's Model Builds, and talk to you all later. Bye-bye.